family, welcome back to our YouTube channel, mainly our whereby we share. Sorry, I'm so tired. Whereby we share South African food, South African dishes. Anyway, without any waste of time, right, let's get straight to it. Morogo. We are cooking. What is this? What is morogo in English? Anyway, I don't know. Rapia, yes, I'll say, yeah, a traditional spinach. Judge me. Don't judge me. Please don't judge me. I won't judge you. Anyway, it's boiling there. Actually, these are butternut leaves. Yes, butternut leaves. But then in my language, we call them moputsi. It's boiling nicely. It's boiling. Yeah, I think if you know, please share down below, comment down below, and tell me. Anyway, there, I'm done with it. I was dishing up. I actually added tomato, and please, apologies for not giving you the entire content. You know what? I don't know what happened to this video. What I can say is that, yeah, the content is not complete, but then we'll fix it, family. We'll fix it. And I put a glass of wine. Unfortunately, you can't see it. Sorry. Unfortunately, you can't see it. La lettuce, that's a lettuce leaf. I don't know what was I doing there, honestly. I was just trying to be creative and funky. I mean, we try and fail, but we never fail to try. So don't forget to comment down below. How do you cook moputsi, morogo wa moputsi, or how do you cook this butternut leaves? Anyway, it's just a repetition of what I was doing. I'll show you something. Hey, my sister. The lion is here, the conqueror, zugu. Anyway, in my language, you say, it's like, yeah, it's pop balls. What else do you want? Like I ate like there's no tomorrow. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also comment down below. Be kind. Always remember to be kind, and let's address each other like family members, because we are indeed family here, and share your different types of ingredients. How do you cook this and that? I know that we are different types of tribes, so definitely we don't cook things the same. Anyway, here was it's just an additional content whereby I'm showing you how to dish up how to dish up in Sepedi. You see, we are doing it like this. I'm sorry about the camera. It's not really, yeah, we are learning family, we are learning. There ke dira makako ke a bosola pa tshontsho go tshwara o bore wap o bosola o bore wap botsa ga botse gula bana. We do this in Sepedi. We do this. I don't know. I grew up doing this. Don't ask me why do we do this. Hey, and a pap must be neat. Your porridge. Porridge is kicking tap. Papa sanze ne neat. Your bobe must be neat. Auto chula bobo gareng. Anyway, yeah. So yeah, I'm just repeat. It's just a repetition of the same content. I think family, forgive me for lefa content yay, what is wrong with you? So I was very sleepy, so I didn't know what I was doing. But then, like I've indicated, we are here to learn, right? And yeah, why nila mudimu itlaba ya rawa ke bua yo letakala la mudimu yo tibang shuwe. Anyway, don't forget to, yeah, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, share the video. Make sure you click that notification button. Also, yeah, let's share content.